and today we are going to do G.I. Joe Classified Fire Team 788. Red and black never looked so good. But first, I know that you guys probably have seen 12 to 15 videos of this figure Ripper, but I will be doing a little different style because you've heard the saying of only a mother can love this face, but there's a secret saying that most women say, I'd sit on his face. It's that bad boy biker thing. Now back to the review. But I'm gonna have my husband sit on this because he knows a little bit more about the His Tank and the Fire Team 788. Let me go ahead and show you the box. Here's the front. One side, number 110, and the back. All right. This is my 1983 Cobra His Tank. This is my husband's blue Cobra inside, but the original Commander on top here. And then this is my husband's His Tank. And he's got his person inside also. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring him in so he can help me do this review because he knows a lot more about the His Tank. Onan, come on.
That didn't sound scripted. Hey, we doing, no, for real. Are we doing the Ripper? The Tasmanian Devil himself.
No, we're not.
Oh.
We're gonna do Fire Team 788.
Nice.
You ready?
Yeah, I am.
So let's go ahead and open this box. Don't come out very easy.
You know how I can tell we have kids? Your pull-out game was terrible. Oh wait, am I supposed to pull out? Yeah, one of us fucked up.
All right, so you want to do figures first, or do you want to do accessories?
Accessories.
Because there are 48 in this box.
Woo! 48, huh? It's not 69, but I'll take it.
So, I like the drawing. I like
You got the Hiss Officer, the Range Viper. Dude, black and red look great on this. His infantry. Oh my god, man. That's just straight up. These are good looking figures.
I like that one, the middle one.
Hey, you know what Mad Hatter does? This is a shout out to Mad Hatter if you're watching, brother. Watch this. And I fucked it because I didn't catch every single piece. And he also does the same too. The barcode. I love that guy. If you're not watching Mad Hatter reviews, you're missing out on just comedy gold.
Okay, so I have them all out, all the accessories out.
Whoa, did you mix up all the accessories?
I did, I'm sorry.
Oh shit. Come on guys, look what I'm working with here.
But look, you can...
Oh, just because it's got...
It's pictures on the box.
Picture. Guys, do we need pictures? We're men. We are men. We don't need pictures. We just get in there. Head first sometimes. Oh, that's what they teach us in the infantry. Just go down range and shit will work itself out. But what if we get shot? Then fucking walk it off.
This one's cool.
That's what I did. Well, I was carried away, but that's a different story.
Okay.
I like that they put in the same fire effects as the 3-pack that we can never seem to find at
Ross's?
Ross's. Yeah. I always want to say Ollie's, but I have never. We got these 3 guys that stalk our Ross's. One guy gets there when they open, and he stays there until the truck is fully unloaded. He does it every day, and it's just ridiculous. And he carries that ridiculous Bowie knife.
Yeah.
He's like 23. Oh man, if anybody's just gonna lose his mind,
okay,
it's gonna be that guy.
So, nice little hat.
Hat? It's called a helmet.
Helmet.
23 years in the military. 5
My
deployments.
bad.
She called a helmet a hat. Oh my god.
Okay, so I have them all accessorized down here.
So right off the bat, I'm gonna point out they've brought back, and I'm sure other guys have done the videos too, but they brought back the original Pew Pew from the cartoon show. I love this because it's got that sci-fi look to it, but it also has its roots in actual history because it looks like a grease gun from World War II.
Ooh, 302.
No.
203.
This is a 203 launcher.
My bad.
But this is some kind of play on maybe an M16.
No. I actually made the buttstocks shorter now.
Oh, really? So they're all like M4s?
Yeah.
Okay, so they're like M4s. I am retired, injured. It's a story. But yeah, this is definitely a 203 launcher. It's got
I got my numbers backwards.
It's not a real weapon, but it's still cool looking. It is not warped in any way, shape, or form. It's relatively straight. Shaka! Okay, this is a 203 launcher. Okay, why would you put a scope on a 203 launcher?
Because they're not in the military and they don't give a crap.
203, a mounted 203 has a butterfly trigger, and you walk the rounds in. So, it goes. You don't try to hit your target. You walk your rounds into your target because it looks beautiful. Bye-bye, who's ever in the way.
And
What else we got?
the grenade launcher?
Oh my God, please just stop. First off, this is what the is going on here? This is a shoulder-mounted rocket launcher. This is just absolutely, there's the back of it. This is Bazooka's rocket launcher tube. Bent, nice. You know, can I get a Valiverse weapon, please? Not knocking G.I. Joe. I like it. I understand this is supposed to be for kids. I'm not giving my 4-year-old this shit. It's not gonna happen, okay? I want a weapon that's not bent. This one, it's really good. I got no complaints, okay? It's definitely, you know, a made-up weapon, okay? It's got what we would call anything that holds 200 rounds. It's called a pork chop in the M249. Then you got the M240 Bravo. Then you got the 50 cal. 249 are more guys like me. I'm 5'7", so it's easier for me to carry. If you're a taller guy, you could carry the 240 Bravo. And they have different rounds, 5.56 round for the 249 and 7.62 rounds for the 249. 249, yeah. I'm sorry, we got a child sleeping over there. I heard him, I was like, oh shit. But this is definitely, it looks like it's a pork chop. It's not shaped just like a pork chop. And just so you know, if it holds 100 rounds, it's called a nutsack. But it's a good looking weapon. Yeah, Bazooka's backpack. It is in slate gray, and it's got 4 rounds.
Oh, they come out too. I already put them in there for you.
Yeah. Here, as a guy, let me just pull out. I fucked it up. Done. Fucked it up. Okay. I like this. This is the range. Yeah, this goes to the range viper. This is it's a good looking axe. This is definitely nice. Yeah, this is good.
Then you get your bandana.
It's not bad.
Neckerchief.
Oh. Yeah. There we go. We got 2 other pew-pews. I probably look dumb as hell. Somebody out there probably like, this motherfucker is so stupid. Move off to the side and show your wife's breasts. I got breasts too.
Okay.
No, back to seriousness. So, most of the weapons are really straight. The pew-pews all have ports, so you can put the blast effects in. This is your standard blast effect from Bazooka. Ooh. Oh shit, no, this is from Scrap Iron. This is Scrap Iron's blast effects, which I'm really appreciative. But these don't feel like the ones I have, because these feel a little stiffer. Because the other one's got a little droop over time. I didn't like that. But you know what? It's small. I'm not going to gripe. It's a small gripe. And then he's, the range viper's got his side. Like I said, I've only got one weapon down here with a curve in it. And, you know, other than that, not going to complain whatsoever.
Then you got your bandolier.
Oh, 2 weapons with a curve in it.
And then your radio.
Oh my God! Did you call that a radio?
Oh.
Oh no! Yeah. It's got a good little device on the back. So it's got a comms device, and it's got some other kind of computer. And then it's got the red dot right there, as I believe Cobra's version of the Joe Pro. You know, the Televiper. I think the Televiper is going to be a smashing figure when it comes out, especially since it's got that 3-dimensional readout right there and that crisp purple. I got a feeling it's going to be a banger of a figure.
I'm just putting all these blast effects on here so I can see them.
Yeah, hey, and we're going to be right back with the figures out of the package, right? And we're back. That didn't take an hour and a half. Sorry guys, I'm suffering from a pretty bad knee injury, so I had to get the brace on and then eat something. So first up, the Range Viper. Personally, one of my favorites. I like the color scheme, but you can't go wrong with the original color scheme of blue and whatever. But it looks good. I mean, it's a really good figure. Nothing loose.
I do want to point out it does have 788 on it, the shoulder.
Oh yeah.
In case you forget.
My wife just blew it up on me. I wear glasses. Without my glasses, I can't see it on right there.
They're on top of your head.
Oh shit! Oh, fuck. It really was an hour and a half in between the snap of the fingers. There we go. I thought it was a Cobra symbol.
There's something else on the other side. Can't really see what it is.
It's a Cobra symbol with some bullshit around it. Oh, I am really blind without these glasses. So the Range Viper looks good. Like I said, he hits the classic T-pose. He hits, the near splits. Nothing is hindering his movement. All around, spin around, zip it and do-ya! Next up is the Cobra Officer. First thing I want to point out is he's got the 788 on the side of the helmet. And the helmet is shiny in the black area, but not shiny anywhere else on his thing. I do want to point out, unlike the Range Viper, because they're using the old body, these are pins. This is pinless. I'm not really going to complain. I'm not one of those guys that fusses too much into it. You don't really see it, except the red pin comes in right there. But it's nothing I'm going to gig the figure for in any way, shape, or form. Again, it's not loose. It looks good. I like the fact that his helmet has the 788 on the side and then it's shiny. I really dig the color scheme. This is not really a red. It's more of a deep burgundy. But I enjoy it, and I tell you, what I really like about it, and my wife said she didn't like it off camera. I don't know why she'd say something like that. I like the gray boots. She didn't really say that.
Wow.
What do you want to say?
Nothing.
About it? No? Nothing? Okay, moving on. The Cobra Infantry. Cobra Infantry. Completely different LBE, load-bearing equipment. This is where you hang all your shit on. The knee pads are shiny. The shin guards are shiny. His helmet is shiny. It's like an armor for his forearm, but looks like it would. I don't know why you would have it. It's like a hockey gear. It actually looks like something that like the Predator would wear, and it would open up, and you'd have like a digipad in there. But it looks good. The boots are black and gray, and they look more like a hiking boot. I like the figure. I like the figure a lot. I like the textured. You can feel it. All these figures are textured. I like the way it feels. I got no complaints. I'm looking for a reason to complain, but none of the figures are loose. I don't have any bad paint strikes in any way, shape, or form. You know what? If I had to say I didn't like something, I don't like the fact that there are not extra heads, okay? Okay, so you got Caucasian dude, black dude. Problem with it? No, okay? But what if you're a black dude and you wanted to be the infantry guy, okay? What if you're the white guy and you wanted to be the officer? Did I fuck that up? I fucked that up. Okay, let's pretend that we edited it out. What if you wanted to be this and the other guy wanted to be that, but he couldn't, okay? You can't switch the heads. That's the problem, because his mask goes with his boot. And I like for everybody to be able to play with their toy, display their toy, and it be the avatar of them. But that's the best I can find for a complaint for this. The price wasn't even bad. I don't think we paid $79.99.
I believe so. We ordered it so long ago.
We ordered it. Yeah, I think it's a $79.99. I think it's still available.
Okay, so. You know I like to do this segment. So which is
Smash or pass. This is a smash for her because I'm not into dudes. Okay, so there you go. You got your four-way going on, huh? Wow, you're getting it from every angle.
Okay, for you, smash or pass?
I'm gonna go with a smash. This is a smashing set. I really do. I think if you have the money for it, and times are crazy lately. This is right smack in the middle of Christmas. You had to pre-order this bullshit a while ago, and it's just coming out of the bank account. If you got the cash for it, I say smash. And I think you're going to enjoy it. They definitely going to stand out. They're going to stand out, and if you're lucky enough to get the His tank, boom, it's going to go beautifully like that. And if you end up dropping $400 or $500 for it extra, you got the cash, hey, go for it. You know what I'm saying? But we all know it's going to be, we're going to see another version of the His tank, I think, just without the bells and whistles. One of the things I want to point out is it's got a barcode, okay? And the one thing I definitely know, if something like this has a barcode, it's for retail later on down the line. So if they have so many units, they can't move those things in a year or two. It's going to be just like the 3-pack Vipers, okay? You're going to find them at your Ollie's, your Ross?
Ross's.
Because, I mean, how surprised were you when you found it at Ross? I mean, if you, watching the video, found it at Ross, man, cool. We haven't found it. Like I said, we got people who stalk our Ross, and we live in a very small town. I got to go 45, 50 minutes to Kansas City, Missouri. Still haven't found it. If I find it, cool. I already had a pack from back in the day. It'd be nice to get a second one, but it's all good. This would be a welcome addition if you got the cash. If not, hey man, a year change down the line, I bet you're gonna find it at Ross, only because you got the barcode. So other than that, I don't really have anything else to say. I really enjoyed this.
Okay, so if you have enjoyed this video,
please like and subscribe. We would appreciate it. This channel is not primarily a toy channel. It's geared towards, if you're into writing, I can teach you
what we have learned.
Yeah, all the ins and outs of the writing industry, where there's websites out there that charge you for it. No, I give it away for free just because you don't need to spend any more than you need to, okay? And if you notice, I don't look the same back in the day because that was before I had a bad allergic reaction because of an operation I had when I got injured on deployment. So I was thick. I was a thicky boy. That's an articulated ninja. That's actually called a thicky boy, right?
Yes.
So,
we hope you like and subscribe, and I hope you have a great evening or day wherever you are in the world.
Wherever you are in the world, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays.
Season's greetings.
Season's greetings. I hope you're safe. I hope you're surrounded by people who love you, your family. You know, just look around and appreciate the fact that we live in the golden age of toy collecting, and people around us that are supporting us. I hope you have a great day. I hope you have a great night. Again, thank you for watching the video.